6 to 4 million years ago. During this period, bipedalism, the ability to walk on two legs, developed. This was one of the most crucial events in human evolution. Walking on two legs freed up our hands, which increased our ability to create and use tools. At this time, hominins like Australopithecus emerged, who could walk on two legs but had small brains and still lived in trees. 4 to 2 million years ago. During this period, the Homo genus was born. Species like Homo habilis and Homo erectus evolved during this time. Homo habilis is called the handyman because they made the first stone tools. Homo erectus learned to use fire and migrated out of Africa, spreading into Asia and Europe. Their brains were larger, and they began to hunt and live in communities. 2 million to 300,000 years ago. During this period, Homo sapiens evolved. By this time, the human brain had become even larger. During this era, Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthals, and Homo sapiens lived alongside each other and had many similarities, such as making and using tools. Homo sapiens created cave paintings and began to understand art and culture. 300,000 years ago to the present. During this time, Homo sapiens made their mark all over the world. They learned to farm, domesticate animals, and live in communities. Modern humans, which is what we are, have the largest brains, and we have developed language, culture, and technology. 40 million years ago. The emergence of monkeys. During this period, monkeys, anthropoids, were found in both Africa and Asia. This was the time when the monkeys of the Old World, Africa and Asia, and the New World, South America, diverged. New World monkeys, they had broad noses and eventually made their way to South America, possibly by rafting on natural vegetation rafts. Old World monkeys, they had narrow noses. Humans are part of this lineage. 15 to 20 million years ago, the evolution of apes. From one branch of the Old World monkeys, apes hominoidea, evolved. These were the very apes from which our lineage, as well as those of chimpanzees, gorillas, and orangutans, eventually split. 6 to 7 million years ago, the split from apes. This is the most crucial turning point. At this time, the hominin lineage split from African apes. Hominins were the early human ancestors, like Australopithecus, and their most notable characteristic was their ability to walk on two legs, bipedalism. Key fossils from this time include Sahelanthropus, from roughly 7 million years ago. 2 million years ago, the birth of the Homo genus. During this period, the Homo genus evolved from Australopithecus. The first was Homo habilis, known as the handyman for their ability to make stone tools. They were followed by Homo erectus, who spread to other continents and learned to use fire. 300,000 years ago, the emergence of modern humans. Homo sapiens. Modern humans first appeared in Africa around 300,000 years ago. Over time, they migrated across the globe, replacing other